Now, Japanese manufacturers' business moves unexpectedly worsened in the 3 months through to the end of September. We've seen the release of the quarterly Tanken Large Manufacturers Index out today, and it fell for a third straight quarter to a measure of 8 in Q3 from 9 in Q2, falling short of a median market forecast for plus 11. Big manufacturers expect business conditions to improve 3 months ahead and expect to increase capital expenditure by 21.5% in the current fiscal year ending March 2023. Last year, capital expenditure dropped by 2.3%. So far as I'm concerned, this is one of the reasons as to why we've seen this rise in the Nikkei 225. If we look at the index here, you can see quite clearly on these daily candles that we do have a rise for the Nikkei 225, which makes it an outperformer on the upside. Now, regarding inflation, companies expect it to hit 2.6% a year from now, 2.1% 3 years ahead, and 2% 5 years ahead. This data, at its highest level since it became available in 2014, underscores this growing inflationary pressure that may cast doubt on the bank's pledge to keep ultra-low interest rates. So far as the Japanese yen is concerned, we've been following this market where we got the dollar continuing to nudge 24-year highs. We've got another push higher in today's session, back up above the 145 level earlier in the session today, currently trading at 144.99. Now, this is reaching levels where the government last intervened a week or so ago. Overnight, Japan's finance minister said the country was ready to take decisive steps in the foreign exchange market if excessive yen moves persist. This is what he said. It's important for currencies to move stably. Sharp and one-sided moves are undesirable. We intervened the other day and we have said we would take decisive steps as needed, as and when. There's no doubt this has guarded against speculative moves. Now, last month, you remember, Japan intervened in the foreign exchange market and spent up to 2.8 trillion Japanese yen to prop up its currency. So moves in the yen and the Nikkei today as a result of what we've been hearing from the authorities, and also that release of the large manufacturers index, the Tanken.